2 tasty sides today. This one I need a bigger knife for. This is spaghetti.
Be careful,
squash.
though.
I don't remember how I got in this.
That's a tough one.
So we're gonna get in here and cut it in half. So I'm gonna pull out these guts. It's pretty much like the inside of a pumpkin, but the end taste is better.
I mean, you could probably take it, mash that up, and fill it with pumpkin spice. And, I don't know. Okay, maybe not.
Okay, put that here. And just get this out too. Okay. So then you're going to take some olive oil. See that? And some salt. And that's really all I'm going to do to it. And you're going to cook them face down. Jesus. And put more olive oil on top of them, and then you're going to bake them in about a 400-degree oven until the skin is all brown and the fruit has loosened from the inside. Here, you ready?
Little football container.
Yep. So here's the next side. Take a package of these tomatoes.
You could buy 2 of those and stuff them with foam and make like a Nerf football.
Yeah. And then what you do with this right here, you take this already cooked bacon.
Those are the kind of tomatoes that you like to buy when you tailgate before the big game, right, Doc?
I wouldn't know. I thought those people only ate Cheetos. So, then you take this already cooked bacon. To hear protesters talk about it, you'd think they only ate Papa John's and Fritos and drank beer, so I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you just sprinkle your... I'm just talking about, well, we're going to boycott Papa John's and Budweiser and Frito-Lay. I'm like, yeah, right. Like, you people are going to live without your Frito-Lay and Budweiser. Right?
Uh-huh. You watch what? You're going to upset some...
I don't care.
Actually, your subscribers probably don't care about that.
Okay. So this right here, we're going to put this right in the oven with the squash, and we're just going to let this cook until the bacon is all sizzly, and then it's done. Because we don't want to overcook the tomatoes. We just want them to get a little pizzazz. And that's really all you need to do. Oh, and you can also put some asparagus with it and cook it that way too. That's the tomatoes. They're all done. See, they just burst a little bit, and then the bacon's all crisp. Okay, so these are done. I know because when I stick a fork in it or a knife in it, it goes in easily. So I've let them cool off enough for me to handle. They cook for about a half hour, and then I'm just going to go in here and just start pulling it away from the skin, and then you take it and season it however you want. It's already salted, so you just need to toss it with a little butter. You could also heat it up with some spaghetti sauce or whatever. But that's it.